a happy Independence Day. Today I am going to speak some few lines about our national flag called Tiranga. Each color and symbol in our national flag, in our Indian flag, contains a unique message that relevant to our professional lives as our personal lives. In our national flag, the first band is saffron, indicate the strength and the courage of the country. The second band, the middle band, is white, indicate the peace and the truth, with Dharma Chakra called Ashoka Chakra. The third band, the last band, is green in color. The last band is green in color, indicate the vitality, growth, auspiciousness of the land. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal, teacher and my dear friends. I am Shri Sonia. I read in class 3B. Today I am going to tell few lines about Independence Day. Once upon a time, our beloved motherland India was under British colonialism and the Indians were the citizens of Great Britain. But Mahatma Gandhi led a non-violent freedom struggle, finally giving independence to India on 15th August 1947. To remember this memorable day, we are celebrating the great Independence Day with great happiness. In this day, we all can observe our national flag flows on air with happily on every office, court, school, colleges, parliament, India Gate and Lal Killa. Today we have gathered here to celebrate 75th Independence Day. Independence Day holds a lot of significance in the lives of Indians, as on this day we got freedom after a long struggle of thousands of freedom fighters. It also motivates us to bond with each other irrespective of which religion, caste, community, grade or culture. We should all promise to help India grow. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga Vidya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jala Sita Danga Taba Subha Name Jage Taba Subha Shisha Mage Gaye tab jaya gata Jana Gana Mangal Dayak Jaya Hai Bharat Bhagya Vidata Jaya Hai Jaya Hai Jaya Hai Jaya 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 Hai Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends, and happy Independence Day to all. Today I am going to say some lines about Independence Day. The Independence Day of India marks the freedom from British Empire. In the national flag of India, saffron color indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white color indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green color indicates fertility and growth of land. The chakra signifies that there is life in movement and death. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak about our national flag. See everyone, today our theme is tricolor. The national flag of India is the symbol of pride, honor and freedom in our country. Our national flag is also known as Tiranga. It is rectangular in shape. It has three colors. Saffron at the top of tricolor denotes courage and sacrifice. The white color at the center is the light, the path of truth to guide our conduct. The green color at the bottom presents faith, fertility and prosperity. In the middle there is a Ashok Chakra having 24 equal divided spokes in blue color. If the flag is based on Swaraj flag. Even in our school, we host the national flag in 15th August every year. In India, people respect their national flag. They get motivation from the flag. National flag instills a sense of patriotism in our heart. We should do respect and feel proud on our national flag. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you.
Good morning all. I am Sanvi Mahapatra from class 3B. Today I got an opportunity to speak about importance of my incredible country, India, and its holy flag. India is full of life, hope and happiness. India is giving and forgiving. India is pride and freedom. India is not only a country but an emotion. The national flag of India was embraced on July 22, 1947. The tricolor represents unity and strength and is a symbol of India's freedom. The saffron band represents dignity. The white band represents peace. The green band represents country's greenery. The center of the national flag consists of a blue chakra called the Ashok Chakra with 24 spiked wheels, which represents truth and resembles Gandhiji's spinning wheel. So, can you imagine this world without this beautiful India? Means you will be missing the beautiful sceneries, the historical buildings, the tasty food, the cultural music and many other things. Imagine the numbers could have been written only 1 to 9 if there is no zero. India has introduced zero to this world. India has introduced yoga and Ayurveda to this world. Many Indian scientists, doctors, engineers and serving mankind across the world. Imagine missing 1.3 billion beautiful minds of the world. India's existence is very, very important to this world. So as we are, this is my country and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, myself Sadipriya Goda of class 3D. Today, on the eve of 75th Independence Day, I as a part of this independent country would like to deliver a speech on the tricolor of our national flag. Every free country has its own flag. It is the symbol of free country. The national flag of India was adopted in its present form during the meeting of Constitution Assembly held on 22nd July 1947. The national flag is a horizontal tricolor of saffron kesari at the top, white in the middle and dark green at the bottom in equal proportion. The center of the white band is navy blue, which represents the chakra. The chakra has 24 spokes. The top of the saffron color indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white band indicates the peace and truth with Dhan Chakra. The last band of green color shows the fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. The Dhan Chakra intends to show that there is life in movement and death in stagnation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected principal, teacher and my dear friend. I am Harshita Maji. I study in class 3, section B. Today I would like to say a few words about national flag. The national flag of and sacrificed. White color symbolizes peace and truth. Green color symbolizes fact. It has the Ashok Chakra with spokes in blue color. National flag is made of cotton cloth. We must always respect and honor our national flag. Thank you, ma'am. Jai Hind.
A very warm morning to all of you, respected teachers and my dear friends. This is Adhyasa Sambhena from class 3, going to present the value of our national flag on this great day. Our national flag is called tricolor or Tiranga with 3 colored strips. Saffron stands for sacrifice and courage. White stands for peace. Green stands for prosperity. In between we have a wheel which is known as Ashoka Chakra. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Morning teacher, I am Anushka Bhattacharya from JMPS class 3A. I want to say few lines on the topic tricolor flag blue. Today is 15 August, India's Independence Day. आज मैं भारत माता मेरे तिरंगा की ऊपरी पट्टी ये केसरिया रंग मेरे बच्चों का त्याग, शक्ति और साहस को दर्शाता है। मेरे कितने बच्चे अपना जीवन बलिदान देकर मुझे अंग्रेज शासन से मुक्त किया है। आज मेरा स्वाधीनता के 75 वर्ष हुए। मेरे ये सफेद पट्टी धर्म चक्र के साथ मेरे बच्चों का शांति और सत्य का प्रतीक है। मेरे आंखों में आंसू आ जाता है जब कोई मेरा केसरिया लेता है तो कोई मेरा हरा। अरे मैं कहती हूँ किसी को मेरा ये सफेद पट्टी नहीं चाहिए। मेरे हरे पट्टी का असली मतलब जानते भी हो। मेरे हरे पट्टी हरियाली और संपन्नता के प्रतीक है। मेरे बच्चे आजकल कितने ऊंचाई पर पहुँच गए। विज्ञान के क्षेत्रों में CSIR हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल सेल कार चालू हुए। इसरो ने पहली महिला ह्यूमनॉइड भूमिका को तैयार कर रहे हैं अपना अंतरिक्ष मिशन के लिए। भारतीय वंशोद्भूत राजा चारी को नासा ने चुना है अपना अंतरिक्ष मिशन के लिए। मेरे बच्चे टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में भी 2020 में मेरा तिरंगा को लहराया, साफ पदक हासिल करके इतिहास में स्थान बढ़ाई। और कितना बोलूं, मेरे बच्चे होनहार है। बस मेरा एक ही निवेदन है, शांति और अमन जारी रखे और सब मिलके गाए। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, मेरा नाम देवराज सिंह है। आज 15 अगस्त है, आज़ादी का दिन, इसलिए मैंने तिरंगे के 3 रंगों को पहना है, जिनमें सबसे ऊपर आता है नारंगी रंग जो बलिदान और साहस का प्रतीक है, और बीच में आता है सफ़ेद रंग जो शांति और सच्चाई का प्रतीक है, और सबसे नीचे आता है हरा रंग जो हमारे देश की हरियाली का प्रतीक है, और तिरंगे के बीच में आता है चक्र जिसे हम अशोक चक्र कहते हैं, वो हमारे धर्म चक्र का प्रतीक है। अब मैं आपके लिए राष्ट्रगान गाना चाहता हूँ। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उज्जल जलधि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाता, जन गण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय है जय है जय है जय जय
very happy Independence Day. Today I feel great and proud to present this speech. This day is most important day for all of us because in this day in 1947 we get independence from British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lord Rajapati Roy, Lokmanya Tilak, Rani Lakshmibai and many others devoted their entire lives of the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. This day is not for when our country is strong and powerful in every field. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.
Happy 75th Independence Day to one and all present over here. Myself Prajakta Malik of class 3C, and today I am going to throw some light on the importance of color present in our national flag. The saffron color present at the top of our national flag denotes strength and courage of our country India. The white color present at the between of our national flag indicates harmony and truth. The green color present at the bottom of our national flag shows fertility of our auspicious land. The Ashoka Chakra present at the between of our national flag has 24 spokes, signifies 24 hours in a day. Which is why is also called the wheel of time. Lastly, I would like to end my oration with a famous saying. विश्व विजय तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा जय हिंद. Thank you.
My name is Arna Manish. Today I am going to talk about the importance of tricolor. Indian national flag made of three colors: saffron, white and green. That's why it's called tricolor or tiranga. The topmost color, saffron, represents courage and sacrifice. The middle color, white, represents peace, truth and purity. The lowermost color, green, represents prosperity and fertility. In the middle there is a navy blue, Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 equal spokes. Indian national flag is the symbol of our freedom. दो सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सिर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना दिल में जब तक जान है. हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे. जय हिंद. थैंक यू मैम.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Arna Manish. Class 3A, CNPS. Today is 75th Independence Day. Today I am going to tell about tricolor's meaning. Tricolors refers to our national flag. The national flag has the saffron kesari at the top, white in the middle and dark green in the bottom. In the center of the blue white band there is navy blue wheel which is called Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. In the tricolor, saffron indicates the strength and courage of our country. The white color indicates the peace and truth. Ashoka Chakra represents the Dharma Chakra. Green shows the fertility and growth of our land. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected teacher and my dear friend. Today I am going to speak about our national flag. The national flag of India is a symbol of pride, freedom of the country. Our national flag is also known as Tiranga. It is rectangular in shape. It has 3 colors. Saffron on the top of tricolor means sacrifice. The white in the center means light. The faith of truth to guide, and the green color on the bottom means faith. In the middle there is Ashoka Chakra having 24 equally divided spokes in blue color. The flag was designed by Bengali Venkaya. The flag is based on Swaraj flag. In this day we sing national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Even in our school we host national flag every day on 26th January and 15th August. In India, people respect their national flag. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Morning, my dear teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sanskar Muro. I am reading my section B. Today is 75th Independence Day. The national flag of India was embraced on July 22, 1947. The flag is rectangular and consists of tricolor parallel and red, saffron, white and green. The tricolor or the Tiranga represents independent country. The saffron flag represents dignity. The white band represents peace, and the green band represents the country journalism. The chakra is navy blue in color and it is made of 24 spokes. It depicts the wheel of the law, the wheel of the dharma, the Samurai lion capital made by Emperor Ashoka. It represents motion or the light movement and wealth in stagnation. Thank you and have a nice day. Happy Independence Day.
Good morning all of you respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Divyanga Singh. I read in a class 3B. On this special occasion, the Independence Day, I am happy to participate in fancy dress competition as India's national flag. I am national flag of India, also known as Tiranga and Tricolor. I am the national flag of India. The top band is of saffron color, indicating the strength of the country. The white middle band indicates truth with Dharma Chakra. The last band indicates with green color, shows the growth of the land. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Bande Mataram, Bande Mataram. Thank you and have a nice day.
And my dear friends, this is Anish Azalai wishing you all a very good morning and a happy Independence Day. Our national flag was designed by Bengali Venkaya. There are 3 colors in our national flag. They are
saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for dignity, white stands for peace, green stands for our country's greenery. The Ashoka Chakra represents the internal will of law. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Vishan Panigar. Happy 35th Independence Day to all of you. Today I am going to tell a few lines on the national flag. India's flag is the horizontal tricolor in equal proportion. In National Flag of India, the top band of the flag is of saffron color, indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates that peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The last band is green in color, shows that fertility, growth and auspiciousness of the land. The Ashoka Chakra, a 24-spoke wheel in navy blue color at the center, indicates that there is life in movement and that in stagnation. It represents the dynamism of peaceful change. The flag is based on Swaraj flag, a flag of the Indian National Congress by Pingali Venkaya. We always respect our country and flag. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Supriya Panda from class 3D and I have been selected to deliver a speech on national flag. Our national flag is also known as tricolor since it is divided into 3 horizontal bands with 3 colors: saffron, white and green. In the national flag of India, the top band is saffron color, indicating the strength and courage of our country. The white middle band indicates the peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. Dharma Chakra is also known as Ashoka Chakra. The last band is green in color, shows the heredity, growth and auspicience of the land. The national flag may be hosted in educational places like school, college, etc. to impress. Respect the national flag. The oath of allegiance has been included in the flag hosting in school. The national flag is always a symbol of pride, passion and self-reliance. It will be very necessary for us Indians, Muslims, Christians, Jews, Paris and all others to whom India is their home to recognize a common flag, to live and to die for Mahatma Gandhi. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ए गुलसिता हमारा. It is the West. India is the best. It is the West. India is the best. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Vasu Prasad and I am an Indian boy. I have to be proud I am an Indian boy because the India is the most beautiful country in the world. And today we are celebrating Independence Day and I like to speak a poem. इंद्र देश के निवासी सभी जाने के हैं, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक हैं, बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली, प्यारे प्यारे फूल गुथे माला में एक हैं, कोयल की खूब प्यारी पक्षी है किटी है नारी, गा रही तराना बुलबुल राग मगर एक है,
A hearty good morning to my respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Aradhya Jaina of class 3D, going to tell few lines about our national tricolor flag. The national flag of India was embraced on July 22, 1947. The flag is rectangular and consists of tricolor parallel bands, saffron, white and green. The tricolor or the Tiranga represents an independent country. The saffron band represents dignity and the white band represents peace and the green band represents country's greenery or prosperity. The Ashok Chakra in the flag symbolizes the internal wheel of law. Thank you and have a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. Today my topic is about Independence Day. India is celebrating 75th Independence Day on August 15, 2021 with the usual pride to mark its freedom from British rule. On this day, our national flag was hoisted. Our Indian flag has 3 colors and that it is called Tiranga. The topmost color is saffron. It indicates strength and courage of the country. The middle one is white. It indicates the purity, honesty and peace of the country. It represents cleanliness and knowledge also. The lower one is green. It indicates faith, fertility and prosperity of the country. And Ashok Chakra in the middle of the flag has 24 spokes in it. The navy blue color of the Ashok Chakra indicates the most truth of the universe. It represents the color of ocean and the sea. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.